Hello friends, my name is Sourabh Shrivastava and welcome to my channel RSK-Code Tutorials. I hope you liked my previous series on JUnit 4 and JUnit 5. After JUnit 4 and 5, I am starting a new series in continuation that is on Mockito Framework. You must need to study JUnit 4 and 5 to go with this series. So that's why I've added links for both in the description below. So please go and must watch those series so that you understand that how Mockito framework is integrated with these both frameworks, JUnit 4 and JUnit 5. Let's start with introduction of Mockito framework, and then we will deep dive into its concepts and how it is used in unit testing. So friends, Mockito is a mocking framework used to write effective test cases. It helps in writing clean and readable tests. So what is mocking? This is the first question comes in Mockito. Mocking is a way to test a functionality in isolation without disturbing original object. So basically, in mocking, we can remove external dependencies in a unit test and create a control environment around it. Current version of Mockito is version 2. So what we can do in unit tests with the help of this Mockito framework? So we can mock and stub classes and its methods, which are inside class, and that class is under our test. Following our example of dependencies which we can use in Maven or Gradle projects, we must need to use Mockito core. This dependency Mockito core help in test cases to use Mockito features. I hope you understand the introduction of Mockito framework. We will dig down Mockito's all features which we require in a unit test cases, and we will learn Mockito more by hands-on in upcoming videos. So please keep watching. Thank you.